Alfie Nightingale, tell me something interesting. I don't know who you are, but my pet lizard Barry has just had some babies. No, I need something more interesting than that. Well, there are certain meteorites and asteroids that are astronomical in size. Yes, that's the kind of thing that I want to hear. Now, what are you going to be getting up to later? I'm going to see Jade, because she's still down in the dumps about her cancer. Oh, I completely understand. But do you really? I mean, have you even had cancer yourself? I'm not at liberty to say. So you don't want to tell me? What's your name, anyway? Atlas. Meanwhile, in Patrick Blake's office, Christian Grey is talking to him. And so, Mr. Blake, I come to the conclusion that the partnership between Grey Enterprises and Oscorp ceased because of the Illuminati takeover. But now the Illuminati are out of Oscorp for good, then I'm hoping that our partnership can resume momentarily. Well, I hope to God that the Illuminati never rear their head again in this facility, and indeed anywhere else on the planet. But, when Oscorp and Grey Enterprises were in partnership with each other last time, it was when Derek was the boss of Oscorp. I'm the boss of Oscorp now. I'm in control of this facility. Yes, of course you are. And that's why I think our partnership would be far superior to the partnership between me and Derek. Because we are two people who like to be in control. I know Derek likes to be in control as well, but in a different way. Yes, I know exactly what you mean, because we're both shrewd businessmen. Well, well, I mean, obviously I'm much more of a successful businessman than you, but you're just a head teacher of a school. Was a head teacher of a school. Remember, I'm the boss of Oscorp now. Just think of the profit there is to be gained by our partnership. All you have to do is look at the records of what money was gained when Oscorp and Grey Enterprises were in partnership last time. And by the way, who the bloody hell is that guy in your basement? What guy? I don't know about any guy in the basement. And what were you doing down in the basement anyway? I'll tell you that later. There isn't time now. I think we should both go down there and confront this guy, because I don't know who he is. I don't think he should be in your facility. That there must be some sort of security breach going on. Yes, we had quite a lot of incidents involving splicers and a murderer called Silas Blissett. What are splicers? Never you mind. Well, I say quite a few incidents. There was only really one incident, but still. Hopefully, the henchman has incinerated Silas's body by now. This Silas guy, he came from my village, where I used to reside, in England. It was called Hollyoaks Village. Oh, I see. So that's where the school was that you were headmaster of. Yes, that's right. Come on then, let's go down to the basement and see what the fuck's going on down there. Mr. Blake, I didn't think you were one for swearing. I'm not usually, but I'm just really annoyed at the moment. I'm really angry. This is an absolute outrage. This is almost taking the piss out of me. Patrick and Gray make their way down to the basement and they find Atlas at work on his tannoy system. Get out of here! I'm trying to do some work throughout all of time and space from your basement. I'm the boss of this facility. You don't have the jurisdiction to do this. And how do you even have the technology to do a tannoy system all throughout time and space? This doesn't make any sense.